Query number 30. Here, parent have specifically asked my own experience with my child, like questions were related to what kind of approach I used and how many hours I have spent. So, to answer this, first question answer will be that the approach used by me has been always following your child's lead and interest. So, I have always done everything related to that, like whatever activities I plan, whatever I plan with my child, it is always has been following her interest. For example, if she is interested in balloons, then I use balloons as a tool to join her, to spend time with her, to make her exposed to other things through the balloon itself. So, some exercise we are doing, so we use the balloon in that exercise. If we are doing some writing, we draw a balloon in that. So, like that, whatever I want to do with her, I will use balloon as a uh, area of interest as she has interest in it. So it is just an example, but it depends on the child what your child is interested in. So I have always followed the same, following your child's interest and following your child's lead. And this has been my approach from the start of the journey itself, and until now I am doing that. And I have seen that it doesn't have to be always like that. When you start with the journey like that, when you are following your child's lead, you will slowly see that your child is listening to you, your child wants to do what you are also doing. So it is vice versa. First you follow your child's lead, then your child will follow you, listen to you, do things which you say them to do. So this has always worked for me, and I learned it through my own experience of spending time with my child. And then it got validated, this idea got completely validated when I did play therapy training. I got myself trained in it. So I really believe in this. And another approach has been free play. Along with following child's lead, I also used to do free play with her. Free play means I am giving the materials, sensory play things, whatever materials is available, and I am letting her think and use it and enjoy it, express, feel the materials the way she wants to play, she letting her play and then joining her in her play. So like this approach has always helped me reach until here. And another approach is using books for the communication purpose. I mean the expressive receptive communication I developed using storybooks. And how much time I used to spend, I would say that I used to spend a complete day with my daughter only. So like I used to even feel guilty if I'm not spending time with her. So I don't say that everyone should do that, but I'm just telling you my own way of doing it. I am like that I am ready to spend my whole day also with her. I don't have any problem. So it is not about therapy kind of thing, but I love to spend time with her. It is my own choice. So ultimately it has helped her. When I am spending more time, it is helping her to develop in overall way. And she is doing very well in her with the diagnosis she got, and the struggles she went through. If I compare that with current situations, she is doing very well for me. So I'm very satisfied with whatever I have chosen as an approach for my life, spending life with her. I'm very satisfied with that, and I'm very happy to say that I took the right decision at the right time. And it has worked out well for us, both of us. Thank you.